As director of our SMB team at Workshop Digital, I'm always looking for ways to help small and medium businesses improve their footprint online. I'm here to share one of my favorite, easy to use tools that any SMB owner or marketer can use for free to find opportunities on their site. The tool is called the PageSpeed Insights tool, and it's built by Google. But before we run it, let's take a minute to talk about exactly what it's looking for when we do. When Google is deciding which pages to rank high in the search results, one factor that influences that rank is called Core Web Vitals. The Core Web Vitals are a set of assessments that help Google weigh the user experience of your website. It looks at three main aspects. First is the largest contentful paint, or basically how long does it take for the biggest element on your site to load. The second is called the interaction to next paint, or how quickly your site responds to user input. The third is cumulative layout shift, or how much do elements of your page move around as it loads. Each of these factors are measured by the PageSpeed Insights tool, so let's take a look at how exactly it runs. To run the tool, simply paste in your website's URL and hit the Analyze button. Depending on the site, this could happen quickly or it could take some time. When the analysis loads, you'll be able to find a table with the three core web vitals that we discussed, along with a few other notable but not as critical metrics. While the full diagnosis continues to run, take note that this tool will assess both the mobile and desktop versions of your site, and the results can vary by device. Let's jump ahead to a fully loaded diagnosis report and start to dig in. Starting with the largest contentful paint, or LCP, we can see that the score here is not in the green, indicating a very slow load speed. Scrolling down to the full diagnostic, we see that the LCP result is repeated. If we continue down, we see that we have an easy way to filter all of the diagnostic results to show only the ones related to the LCP. And we can expand the first dropdown to show us exactly what element on the page is the largest and how long it takes to load. Clicking on the element, we can see that this particular text block is causing the issue. And the reason is a render delay. Fortunately, the diagnostic also gives us tips for how to improve the LCP load time. Reducing unused JavaScript, CSS, and elements that delay rendering are three of the most impactful optimizations you can make, while converting images to more web-friendly formats, like WebP, help to reduce the time needed before LCP. If none of the technical stuff here makes any sense to you, that is totally fine. You can simply copy the URL and email it to your web developer or website manager, letting them know that everything they need to do to optimize your core web vitals are in the diagnostic. That's where we'll leave it for now. There's obviously more to explore, but you can start running this tool for your site right now to see how you stack up, make some informed optimizations, and hopefully realize better organic rankings thanks to an improved user experience. If you want to learn more about Core Web Vitals and all things digital marketing, check out the Workshop Digital blog. Or if you need more help, reach out to our team to discuss your needs.